In an age where smart technology is ubiquitous, home security cameras have become a common sight on porches, driveways, and windowsills across the country, including here in Austin, Texas. These devices, from popular video doorbells to full-fledged multi-camera systems, are primarily installed to protect our homes and provide peace of mind. However, when a crime occurs, a crucial question arises: can footage from these cameras legally be used in a court of law? The short answer is yes. Home security camera footage can be used as evidence in court in Austin, Texas, provided it meets the necessary legal standards. When properly handled and authenticated, this digital evidence can be an incredibly powerful tool for both prosecutors and defense attorneys in criminal cases. Home security camera footage is a powerful and valid form of evidence in Austin, Texas. It serves as an objective eye that can make the difference between a successful prosecution and an unsolved case. For homeowners, understanding how to properly maintain their systems and handle footage after an incident is not just good practice, it's a way to become a key player in ensuring justice is served.